Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Ching's tomato soup step by step. First, ensure you have 155-gram pack of Ching's secret tomato soup mix ready. You will also need 600 milliliters of water, which is about 2.5 cups. Grab a medium-sized saucepan and a stirring spoon to begin this simple process. Now, carefully empty the entire contents of your 55-gram soup pack into the 600 milliliters of water in your saucepan. It's important to stir this mixture continuously and vigorously. This helps to ensure that no lumps form and the soup powder dissolves completely, creating a smooth base for your flavorful soup. Place your saucepan on the stove over medium heat and bring the soup mixture to a rolling boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and allow the soup to simmer gently for exactly 3 minutes. Remember to stir the soup occasionally during this simmering period to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Your hot and delicious Ching's tomato soup is now ready. Carefully pour the soup into individual serving bowls. For an extra touch of freshness and flavor, you can garnish it with some finely chopped fresh coriander or spring onions. Serve it immediately and enjoy this comforting, warm bowl of soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.